Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for April 2013. Sagittarians, we start this month with a part of your chart that is brightly lit up with three planets. We have Sun, Venus, and Mars that are lighting up a part of your chart that has to do with love, it has to do with romance, it has to do with relationships, and it has to do with children and creativity. Your fifth house is brightly lit up, and this aspect started for you towards 20th of March and it carries on being there till about 20th of April. So, brilliant time for you, Sagittarians. I think you will be just enjoying yourself, being who you are. You will, in fact, some of you are going to be quite insistent that you stay true to yourself. So, a lot of you who have been maybe wanting to give up your corporate jobs and do some teaching or just working with the children, this is the time that you will be actually actioning it. Mars will be giving you that push. Mars will push you to stay true to yourself and action as to what it is that you want. This month is also about spending a lot of time with your children, maybe some activities, since we have the masculine Leo and Mars over there. There could be some physical activities. Maybe you're playing, teaching your kids some games, some sports, or you're traveling with them, you're going hiking, or some amount of activity seems to be there involved as far as your kids are concerned. A lot of happy times, a lot of fun times for you this April, Sagittarians. A lot of joy will come to you through your kids. This is also a great time to be, or rather, not a great time, but you will be creatively be inspired. So you could sort of maybe get involved in theater, maybe music, maybe write a book, or maybe just participate in things which are more artistic. And you could be drawn to aesthetics more, you could be drawn to more beautiful things more so this month, and you will be actioning it out. So it's not something that's happening in your subconscious. You will be going out and you will be actioning that as well. Oh, now this is since your fifth house is ruled by Leo, and it also speaks about ego, and it is also associated with your father. So there could be some amount of conversations or some. Um, I wouldn't say power struggle, but there seems to be some amount of concern from your side as far as your father is concerned. You could be having some conversation, maybe could not be agreeing on certain particular piece, but it is nothing bad really. It has to do with affectionate irritation, if I may put it that way. So you could be also, you could be seeing signs of you in him at this point of time. I think some of you for who are around that age and stage, who have grown up children or are older themselves and don't have grown up children, you could be relating more with your father as to how it is that you behave and how it is that you are. This is also a time, Sagittarians, this month, to be proactive. Do not expect things to sort of come and fall into your lap. If there is something that you require or you wanted or you wanted to manifest, yes, Venus being there, Venus is going to help you manifest things more quickly. So if you've been wanting something, if you have been hankering after something, this is a time where it could actually take shape in reality, or it could actually manifest for you. Oh, you're also going to be feeling good about yourself. Generally, a sense of self confidence, or feel good, your self. Mercury is in your fourth house, Sagittarius, so it has to do everything around home, whether it is fixing things, or it is buying or selling or leasing of your house. And on the emotional side, this also speaks about the fourth house is really a house of an emotional retreat. This is a place where you come back and you rest, and it's a house of Cancer, it's a house of your mother. And this is the time also, it is how it is that emotionally you guard yourself. So you could be, and Mercury being there, maybe you could be speaking about your innermost insecurities, or maybe some childhood issues, or it'll just make you more vocal. It could also be that during this time you're speaking a lot with your mother. Maybe something is going on, something is bothering her, and you're just helping her sort it out. It's a lot of conversations over there. It's a emotional space, so to speak. Overall, a nice month, Sagittarians. I would say a lovely month with your fifth house being brightly lit up. Make good use of it. Stay proactive. Go out and action things. If something needs to be done, do not think that it's going to sort of happen on its own. So make an effort to manifest it. So have a great April. I'll see you again in May. Thank you so much for watching.